Good morning, lovely people. Today, 8 o'clock a.m. sharp, and we're going from Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai. We're taking our motorbikes, we're taking our small backpacks. We're going for 2 days, and we're gonna show you the whole way from Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai, and then in the next video, what to see in Chiang Rai. So guys, stay tuned, and let's see how the road goes. First things first, we're about 20 minutes in our road to Chiang Rai. We gotta stop for coffee. With our zero Thai knowledge, and we had this sidekick kind of a market. We went to the grandma, told her we want the coffee, which we want strong and not sweet. We got our coffee for 25 baht, and now we're ordering food, which is one of the best well-known foods in northern Thailand. We're gonna have a lot of it. Guys, have a look at it. Chris, you should go and order another one for me as well and show them how it's made. I had a little taste of it. It is quite spicy. So on top of the soup you can see dried noodles. Then they have a little bit of coconut milk, and it's quite spicy. It's like, I mean, it's really spicy. It tastes like curry. It's like, what is it? The taste is so familiar, guys, but it's really, really good. I'll figure out what's the name of it. I'm gonna link it down here below. You're gonna see it, I promise.
Guys, by no means I'm Mark Wiens, but this chicken is so tender, it just comes right off the bone. Look at this. It's so good. I think that we figure out what it is. I think it's like a red curry with a coconut milk that's like mixed together, so it creates like this like kind of smooth, spicy flavor. I love it.
So back to our bikes. I'm gonna tell you there are several ways to get to Chiang Rai. So basically, guys, you have 3 options. Either you get a public bus, you hire a private van, or you go by a motorbike. Depends on your skills and your budget. The public bus will take you 4 hours to get to Chiang Rai. It's gonna cost roughly $6, around 150 baht. Buses from Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai go every hour. Private van will cost you a little fortune. I would say maybe like 20 bucks per person, less or more depending on your bargaining skills. And a motorbike, you know, you just hire a motorbike in Chiang Mai, drive off to Chiang Rai, and you're there. It's really, really cheap, but you have to be really careful or an experienced driver because the highway is quite busy. So just take it easy, guys, and never, you know, try to show off or race with your buddies or something. I mean, I've had so many friends that have gotten into accidents, like precisely on the way from Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai or Chiang Rai to Pai. So, guys, okay, let's get going. Yo guys, what the heck? I mean, we just found an abandoned airplane. Probably it's not any news to anyone who lives in Chiang Mai, but it was for us. It's like 45 kilometers out of Chiang Mai on the road to Chiang Rai. So if you're taking the road to Chiang Rai, you're gonna see it. It's on the side of the road, and it's disassembled, so the wings are detached and the tail's detached. But you can actually open it and walk inside. So I'm gonna give it to Chris so he can take over and show you how it looks inside.
So we figured it out that this is either Chinese plane, because the half of the descriptions are instructions are in Chinese and English. So this will be a very quick tour of this airplane because there's a security guard coming over, so I'll just quickly show you the front of this airplane. To be honest, this plane is still in decent condition, so
you locked it?
yeah.
All good. By the way, guys, there's another airplane. You can come inside and take some photos, but you can't go inside the airplane. The security guy came and he was like, just saying, but he was smiling, so he was nice, but we just can't go inside. So if you're planning to go inside, just, you know, be sneaky and give him, maybe like if you give him like $100 or something, it probably would be all right. So then it's trouble-free right away. We just traveled through the road constructions for about 30 minutes. We couldn't, I couldn't sit anymore. Ouch. So I had to take a break, but guys, noted that, well, probably when you're gonna visit, depends on when you're gonna visit, there might be some road constructions going on. This one just took like half an hour and it's really bumpy and bouncy, but it might be that if you're going after like 2 months, the road's gonna be perfect because they're making it right now. A lot of construction going on, so thumbs up for the Thai government and the road traffic control or whatever development department, whoever's taking care of it. Good job, guys.
So guys, we just stopped by the side of this road because we saw this massive sulfur geyser. Just look at it. Linda, do you want to touch it?
I always want to touch really weird and random shit, eh? This is the volume 2 of Did You Lick It? And now it's Did You Touch It? Ah! Good thing I knew it before I did it right. Yeah, gonna be more careful next time. One of the reasons why we love our scooter so much, because you can travel wherever you want and stop on the side of the road and discover places like these. This is like an abandoned mini version of Angkor. What? Really, really cool. Let's go and explore it. Let's check it out.
Linda, do you think there's a lot of snakes living here?
Dude, I mean, really, every single symbol of this temple is a snake.
Or boobs.
Or, ooh, boobs. But like really, every single symbol is a snake. What does it mean? I mean, why is it abandoned? People abandon it for a purpose. There is a reason why it's abandoned. But, meanwhile, look, you can check out the boobs. Guys, I'm really sorry. I hope you do understand our humor. Okay, guys, we just came to realize that these apparently are abandoned hot springs. We saw sinks and baths, so that's what our conclusion is. However, if you guys want to visit this place, we're gonna link the location of this place right in the description below. Yeah, well, in case you're traveling from Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai with a motorbike. So we just arrived at their awesome guest house and it's been a long ride, guys. It's been a long ride. I mean, you know, with a public bus it takes like 3.5, 4 hours. We stopped several times to take some photos and to eat, and it took, I don't even know, like 6 hours to us, 7. I mean, we were slow, but around 8, let's be just honest. But the guest house is so cool. This place is sweet, and the lady owner, she's absolutely gorgeous. And did I just say that we crashed the drone? And now we're flying it again. It just ran into the wall, but it's fine. It's gonna survive. See our guest house, grandma.
Yeah.
39 euros for 3 people for 2 nights. So that's 12. That's 6, 7, 40. That's like roughly 20 euros for 3 people a night. So that's 7 euros per person a night. 7 euros, so which is like $9. So I told you about the room, 7 euros per person per night. Check it out. So we have the common area right here. So we have a guitar, we have a TV, we have a huge sofa. We have tea and coffee. Refrigerator here. We have a whole kitchen area. And grandma's kitchen over here. She even has an emergency kit. How thoughtful. And I'll show you a room. Actually, the really cool thing is Grandma Dada, her name is Dada, she said that she's gonna cook us dinner tomorrow night. So basically we can participate in the Thai cooking carnival that she does every night. It costs 100 baht per person, so like less than 3 euros. She cooks for us and we can film it and just hang out with her and see how actual Thai grandmas make their food. This is like really amazing. She's super, super sweet. Oh yeah, and that's her room, by the way. This is a huge bed, huge mattress. We have an aircon and we have shared bathroom. Oh, that looks scary. Ooh, the flickering camera. Anyhow, that's that. Well, there's no one else. There's no one else staying here, just us. So it's really good. Don't crash the baby drone.
Baby drone.